All right, everybody. So I just wanted to make a quick video on how to make these graphs down here. So the only thing I want from you guys here is I want 3 different graphs that are going to compare each measurement. So I know it says place graph comparing each measurement, but that's like a plural because you have 3 different measurements here. So you're going to have one graph that is comparing body fat and how it came out for Fred using the 6 different tests that we talked about. You'll make one for lean mass or fat free mass, and you're going to make one for fat mass. So I put in some fake numbers here. These are not the ones that I gave you. However, you have them on the PowerPoint that's posted on Canvas. So the easiest way for you guys to do this would be to copy and paste the cells that you want to make a graph into Excel. So I've already done that with our percent body fat. And then I told you guys in your like follow-up email that you could make a different graph than a line graph if you wanted to. And you guys, these are just like a reminder. If you don't need a key, then it's not necessary. And I guess I didn't make that clear enough, but you should have your axes labels and definitely have a title on there. So I apologize for that. But you are going to highlight, insert, go to the graph that you want to make. So we'll go back to our original line graph to start off with, just so you guys can see what that looks like. And this is what our line graph would look like. So from here, our x-axis is already labeled. So, but for here, what I would want is for you guys to add in a axis here for the, boop. Hello. So you guys can take this out since you don't need that, but you could add here body fat and then put in percent. Okay. So for the title, yes, it's very vague to say just body fat. If you wanted to say body fat comparison amongst 6 different measurements, you could do something like that. But I would still give you full credit if you just had percent body fat here. Now, you could also make a bar graph. So I'm just going to start over. So in case you decide that you want to make a bar graph, you're going to again highlight, insert. You will go to bar graph up here, click on the first one, and you can also have it in bar graph form if you think that looks better. Do the same thing, click on the graph, go to quick layout, and we're going to want to add in the y-axis and x and y-axis. I don't think we need this. We're going to add in percent body fat percentage, and then we need to add a title. Boom. And we can take this out. But if you wanted to change the color, you could. So this would be acceptable for you to copy and paste, or the line graph that you did. So you'll do this for each one of the variables that we have present, which is percent body fat, lean mass or fat-free mass, and fat mass. You'll place each one of those graphs here and then answer the questions below. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions, or we can try to answer them tomorrow morning, but hopefully that gives you a little bit more of a detailed explanation of what I want. So I apologize for not having that more clear. Have a great rest of your day.